guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer if you're new here, and if you are new here, then hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so we can become best friends and you guys can see all of my awesome videos and give them thumbs up. And today's video is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing, and believe it or not, today is the 19th and I literally just got my BOXYCHARM today. So I'm a little upset. I don't know why it came in so late, but I'm going to look past that and go ahead and do an unboxing, maybe use some of the products in this box, and then I also want to use some that were in last month's box that I never got a chance to use. Take a look in the box and see what we got, which you guys all already probably know if you're subscribed to BOXYCHARM, because you guys all probably got your box already. So yeah, let's just jump right in, shall we? Are we ready? So some of these products I'm super excited about, if I can speak English, and two of these brands I've never heard of. I did not, for the second time, get a card in my BOXYCHARM, so BOXYCHARM, what's up? What's going on? Why is there no card? I don't know how much any of this stuff is, but I'll try to look it up. So the first thing that we're going to dive into is this I have no idea how to pronounce this. Dead Sea Mineral plus Vitamin C Serum. Ooh, plus Vitamin C Serum. I love anything that has vitamin C. So we're actually going to open these up right now. Oh, those smell so good. They have like a fruity, orangey scent to them, which is not shocking because they have vitamin C. Our Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. So I really hope that these don't irritate my skin or make me break out or anything, because I love anything that can help with dark spots or hyperpigmentation, because I definitely have had my battles with acne recently and breaking out. This bad boy right here is not actually burnt myself, but yes, I have had my battles with, oh my gosh, this smells so good. I have had my battles with breaking out recently, so anything that can help with all of this hyperpigmentation that I have left over and dark spots is greatly appreciated. So really hope that these don't irritate me, because if they don't, I would love to keep using these and purchasing them again. So is the other brand that I did not know about, which is this Daily Concepts shampoo bar, plant-based vegan, does say cruelty-free. This plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. Do other shampoo bars have plastic? A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with more plastic bottles. Oh, okay, I get it. Oh, that's so cute. It has like this little thing. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, that smells so good. Smells very herbal, which makes sense because it has herbal extracts of rosemary and sage. I'm excited to use that. Next is this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Let me go ahead and moisturize my face here so that I can use that. I just use the same as I always do, First Aid Beauty Ultra Skin Repair. It's like the only moisturizer I use. It's so good. But yeah, like I don't know what's happening with my BOXYCHARM. I know a lot of my mail is taking a long time to get here, but I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and they did their BOXYCHARM unboxings like, you know, a week ago. And I was like, wait a second. What is happening? Don't come for me the way I put my moisturizer on, okay? I know I'm aggressive. I don't want to hear it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out this eye primer because I am going to use my Ciate Eye Luster Creme eyeshadow from the box last month. So I do want to have some sort of something on my eyes for that. Looks like that. It's kind of like a beigey color. So you guys can see it does dry down colorless, so that beigey color goes away. And it does stay pretty tacky, so unless you're using something like this that you want it to remain a little tacky, I would definitely set this, but I'm gonna leave it tacky because I kind of need it to be like that for this product. So the thing I was most excited about in this BOXYCHARM, even a little bit shocked about because it is so expensive, is this GLAMGLOW Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So it looks like that. It does look to be full size. And it looks like that inside. And you can see like it does have crushed up berries in there. It smells just like straight up raspberries, blueberries. I cannot wait to use this. Maybe I'll do like a get unready with me where I show you guys my nighttime skincare routine, and I'll try this out. I'm really excited about this. I'll try to find all the prices and link them down below for everything in this month's box. And the last item is this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I will be perfectly honest, I have never used a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Not for any reason. I mean, I have nothing against the brand at all. I've just never purchased one. It looks like this. It's actually some really beautiful colors in there. I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that have these colors in there. I'm not going to swatch any of these. I'm not going to touch any of the eyeshadows. I am planning on doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will link it down below. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I may include this in my giveaway just because I really don't have a need for this palette. I have so many eyeshadow palettes with colors like these. So I'm probably going to include this in a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is get my face makeup done off camera, and then I will come back on to use some more of the products from last month. I want to use the ALAMAR Blush Trio. I want to use this Ciate eyeshadow, and then I may want to include one of the lip liners that I got last month, and then I'll be back with you guys. So I think I'm gonna just put it on the back of my hand like that. So it's kind of like pinky purpley in the tube, and then it kind of has this gold iridescent flip in it, and I really just want to concentrate it mostly on the center of my eyelid, so I'm not going to be putting it all over. So let's see how that actually pans out, if we're able to accomplish that. It could turn out to be just a hot mess. I don't know. It's actually really pretty. And it's more, well, at least in this light, I don't know once you're actually out in natural daylight, but in this light, like with my ring light on, it's more gold than anything else. I did throw just a little bit of bronzer in the crease and underneath my eyes while I was off camera, just so I could have a little, of course something has to drop on the floor, little definition to my eyes, but I didn't want to do anything else. So now I'm just going to line the eyes a little bit with my House Labs. This is just black. It's called Punk. So now for the blush. What would look best with this? I'm trying to decide. We're gonna mix these two shades called Seclusion and Isla? I don't. These are so creamy, guys. I just tested these when I first got them in last month. Why is this? Just getting on my nerves. Whoa, these are pigmented. Like, damn. Damn. Whoa. I was not expecting that, yo. Do y'all see that? I mean, I know I mixed two colors together, but yikes. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm like in love. I'm in love. Guys, that blush. I'm telling you, I'm like so in love. So in love. Okay. Let's see. mascara and lashes, which for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm gonna hop off camera and do, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna decide what we want to pair with that lip liner that I got in BOXYCHARM last month. So this was in, oh, I have mascara all over myself. This was in last month's box. Vintage Cosmetics. Again, I can't pronounce her last name. It's Jessica something. The color is like this, I guess like rosy pink. So I'm thinking I'm gonna pair it with this Lancome matte shaker in Sea Sand Sun. So first I'm gonna line my lips and see what color it comes out to be on my lip color. So I did use it to fill in quite a bit. It's really creamy. I like that lip liner a lot. When I did look it up for my last video, they are pretty pricey. Comparable to like, I don't know, like maybe a Marc Jacobs lip liner. I think it was like $25. Which maybe I just think it's pricey because it's a brand I never heard of. I mean, I would pay that for like a Marc Jacobs or a Charlotte Tilbury and not really think it's pricey. So I'm probably just saying that because it's a brand I don't know. And then I'm just putting this Lancome on top. Now, I love this color from Lancome. It is honestly one of the prettiest lip products I've ever purchased from them. My only complaint about this formula in general is it doesn't last. So if you happen to pick up one of these matte shakers, if they even still make them anymore, I never really see them in store, is definitely take it with you. Because you will have to reapply. Okay guys, that completes the look. I really like all of the products I received last month, this month. I would say this month what I'm most excited about is this. Like, I cannot wait to use it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Like, I just want to lick it. Even though I know you can't ingest this. Don't eat it, guys. I don't think it's safe. I don't think it's safe. But yeah. So I'm most excited about that. I really love it. I'm very happy with it. I will probably include that eyeshadow palette in my giveaway, like I said. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram so you can be part of that giveaway that's coming up very soon, most likely at the end of this month. So yeah, guys, that is it for me. I'm really happy with this look. This blush palette, yo, it is so good. So good. Like, this is gonna be my blush palette all summer long. I already know it. Like, I'm in love with it. Like, I'm definitely gonna order more of her stuff. I am totally getting her bronzer palette. I love it. So, 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 so good. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing well. That is it for me. I actually have to film another video and do it very quickly because I have to leave my house. So bye. How do I do an intro? Where my thumbs up like this? I don't even know. Duh, Jennifer. I don't know. She's such a rookie. Give it to me. What's that accent? I don't even know.